So it's supposed to be spring outside, but maybe today's temperatures are a good excuse to stay in and try a bit of a refresh. Design and lifestyle stylist Sarah Gunn has a few ideas, and it starts with cleaning.
It does. You know, these are all things that you could do in just a weekend to give your home a little spring reset. It's going to make your home feel great, but it's not going to be hard on your wallet. So cleaning and decluttering, number one.
Yes.
First thing you can do. And so pick areas of your home that people are going to see, because we're not doing a whole home here. We're picking key places.
Oh, I like that.
Right? So maybe start with your floors. I love a couple of things to clean your floors and make it real. I like it to be easy. Let's be honest. And this is the Libman microfiber dust mop. And what I love about this for your floors, it's got these nice long fingers to grab everything, but what it's even better for, I think, is your walls. So maybe it's been a little dark in those corners. Yes. It gets up to those corners and really grabs those cobwebs, and then you can take this off and throw it in the wash and reuse it over and over. Or if you want to give your floors a mop, in the front here we have the Freedom Spray Mop. This is probably my favorite cleaning tool that I own. And I like it because you can have your own DIY solution that you mix. I like to use dish soap and water. You can use vinegar as well. And then you just spray your floors and clean it. And again, that's reusable and rewashable. So you're not having to buy a new pad every single use.
And
so it's
throw
better
stuff in the garbage.
Yes, it's better for the environment. So that's your floors covered. And then I found this really cool new product. I don't want to drop this.
We're just going to keep this here.
These are called Mean Green Refillable, and these are brand new to Canada, which is really exciting. And they come in 3 different kinds. So you've got your bathroom, your window, and your multi-purpose. And what's cool about these is that they're a concentrate, but there's 2 compartments. So you know when you have a concentrate, you have to mix it with water?
Yes.
This has a refillable compartment for the water, and you refill it 4 times. So you're getting 4 times the use out of this, and it sprays from both.
Okay.
So you're not wasting more plastic by getting another container, pouring everything in, making a bit of a mess. It's one and done, which is really, really great. We actually started cleaning our windows this weekend. That's one of the surfaces that would be great for a weekend reset, adding that light in with the glass cleaner, and it was fantastic.
Okay.
Yeah.
And here's my little handy tip. If you're doing windows, just don't do everything. Do them like, you know, the same in the same room, or maybe on the same side of the house.
Exactly. That's what the weekend reset is about, is picking key places and focusing on those and doing a really good job in that one small space.
So it's like, don't look out the window at the back of the house.
That's like ours right now. We just did the front too, I'm going to be honest. We just did the front.
Okay, and then what about decor?
So I love decor, and let's start with scent. So that's another way to bring spring into your home. Whether you love a scented candle, think about florals, or even the fresh linen smell, like almost the laundry scented candles. I really, really love those. If you're not a candle person, open your windows. Not today. Not today.
But that is the best way of getting,
my favorite.
You come in and it's like, okay, you can start to smell the flowers, or you can start to smell the trees.
I love that. As soon as it gets above double digits, my windows are open. Yeah, absolutely. And then add some decor details. So you don't have to redecorate an entire room. That's not realistic. Bringing in some spring florals, whether they're real or faux. Now you already guessed which ones are real or faux, but you at home, maybe you can try to figure it out for a second. But adding tulips or other spring flowers, setting them on your entry table or your kitchen island, just brings that spring sense into your home. And then other little decor details. These art prints are
the
really,
fake ones.
Those are
I shouldn't say fake. The faux.
The faux.
The faux.
Yes.
The faux ones.
Yes.
I love them.
And those are from my online shop, gunandco.ca. And so are these art prints. This is such a hot trend right now. Adding patterned mats to your art prints is just a really fun, sweet decor moment. And these are all very sort of coastal or spring. And my tip for that is save the frames you already have and just put this in front of the art that you had in there before, so that you just swap them throughout the year and you're not having to buy new frames and store them for every single piece of art. So that's budget friendly.
And there's such beautiful paper available now, or even like wallpaper. Go to a wallpaper store and ask, do you have like a leftover sample book or something, right?
Yeah, exactly. And then other little things like little serving trays that you could just pick up and put in your kitchen. Splurge on some colorful cutlery, flatware. Just little details that you can add to different spots of your home is going to make it feel really fresh and spring.
Don't think that you have to do it all at once.
Oh, no.
Just tiny little
bits. Like I said, pick a key area and focus on that.
Take it easy on yourself. Okay, what's the first thing that you want to do when it comes to spring cleaning?
It's definitely open the windows and clean the windows and let that light in. We actually just finally, after 2 years of trying, got one of our storm windows off on the front of our house so we can open another window in our house. And to me, that's very exciting. And then it's floors.
All right.
I like to give the floors a really good scrub.
Windows and floors.
Yeah.
Okay. Lots to do. And great time to do it inside today. We'll get the links up on our website, chch.com.